you're going to Bali, then you have to check out Ubud. There's so much to do here, from exploring Balinese temples to discovering waterfalls and getting up close and personal with nature. So here's our guide to Tegenungan Waterfall. This is a beautiful and powerful waterfall, and you'll get a spectacular view of it on your approach from above. In summer, you'll see beautiful clear waters, but if you're going towards the winter, be aware that the water starts to go brown like it is in these images around October time. This is because of increased amounts of rainfall causing mud to run into the river. It's an extremely well-known spot, so going early will help you avoid some of the crowds that can appear later in the day. There's an extremely small entry fee to pay for most of the places in this video, but it's usually only 10 to 15,000 IDR, which is about 55 pence or 77 cents per person.